Whether you're completely new to tattooing or already tattooing and trying to improve your work, this course is made to help you level up in a simple and easy-to-follow way. My specialty has always been realism, but over the years I stayed open-minded and learned many different styles and techniques. That's something that's also really important to me in this course. I don't just show you one specific way to tattoo. I explain the thought process behind everything so you can take these techniques and apply them to your own style and workflow. Inside the course, I break down everything I've learned over the past 10 years and show you exactly how I approach tattooing step by step. We start with the basics first, because those are the things that make the biggest difference later on. I explain how I hold my machine, how I approach lines and shading, how I work with needle depth, hand speed, voltage, and all the small details that separate clean professional tattoos from beginner mistakes. I also show you exactly what equipment I use and why I use it. From the machines and needles I choose to how I set everything up for lining, shading, or packing, I explain every detail so you really understand what's happening and why. One of the biggest focuses of this course is actually tattooing along with me instead of just watching. I added many hours of beginner-friendly follow-along videos where you can practice everything step by step in real time while seeing exactly what I'm doing on screen. Things like grayscale references, stroke settings, and hand movements are always visible, so it's much easier to follow and improve faster. The beginner versus pro lessons are there to help you understand the most common mistakes beginners make. A complete beginner tattoos the same exercises that I do, while I explain exactly what's going wrong, why it happens, and how to fix it properly. This makes it much easier to recognize and improve the same mistakes you might be making at home. As the course progresses, we move into more advanced work like realism, portraits, skull studies, fake skin practice, and real skin tattoo tutorials. I also go over different shading techniques and explain how to make tattoos not only look good fresh, but also heal properly and still look solid over time. I also show you how I choose and retouch images, how I create stencils, and how I prepare designs for both fake skin and real skin. Everything is explained in a very beginner-friendly way, but there's still a lot of depth for more experienced artists who want to improve their shading, realism, and overall tattoo quality. The original language is English, and subtitles are included in 7 different languages. When you purchase the course on the external course website, you only pay once, $99 US. There's no monthly subscription, and you get lifetime access to the full course, including all future updates and new videos that will be added over time. You can also access the full course directly on YouTube through the Unlocked Course Content channel membership. On YouTube, the course is available through a monthly membership subscription where all course videos can be watched directly on the platform. For everyone who has already purchased it, the updates are of course free now, and you can find the link in the video description.